Hello everyone and welcome to Financial Accounting. Today we will look at prepaid subscription expenses, and the next video will be about preparing an amortization schedule in Excel. Prepaid expenses refer to expenses paid before they are incurred. In other words, anytime you pay a bill in advance, it's considered a prepaid expense and should be recorded as such. Subscription is one of the common prepaid expenses. Subscriptions might be paid monthly, quarterly, yearly, or according to some other agreed-upon schedule, and recognized monthly. In this video, we will examine how prepaid subscriptions are recorded. If you want to learn more about prepaid expenses, how they impact the financial statements, and why they need to be recorded differently from regular expenses, watch my video Accruals and Deferrals. I am posting the link here and in the description below. What is a prepaid expense? A prepaid expense is any expense you pay that hasn't yet been incurred. Prepaid expenses are also known as deferred expenses. Recording expenses is part of the accrual accounting process. It requires you to record expenses when they are incurred and account for them at that time. This is an accrued basis of accounting. You don't need to worry about prepaid expenses if you are using cash-based accounting. In cash-based accounting, you only record an expense when money changes hands. Note that generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, only allow the accrual basis of accounting. A prepaid expense will appear on your balance sheet as an asset, and as the asset is used, it will appear on your income statement as an expense. For example, you might prepay for subscription monthly, quarterly, yearly, or at some other agreed-upon schedule. You record prepaid expenses first and then recognize expenses when they are incurred. Not many accounting software can handle the amortization expense creation process. If you are a lucky user of such software, your monthly journal entries will be completed automatically. Usually, the adjusting entries to recognize expenses are prepared manually in Excel. In that case, you can create a spreadsheet outlining your monthly expenses that will need to be recorded in the general ledger as an adjusting entry. So, how do you record a prepaid expense? You will take several steps to record your prepaid expenses properly. You start with determining if the amount should be expensed over multiple accounting periods, how much should be expensed each period, and for how long. When prepayment is made, it is recorded as a debit or increase to prepaid expense, an asset account, and a credit or decrease to cash. To recognize the expense account is debited or increased, and a prepaid expense account is credited or decreased. When expense is fully recognized, the balance in the prepaid expense account is zero. And the next video will be about preparing an amortization schedule in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell so you're notified when we release more videos like this. Visit my channel for more videos on financial and intermediate accounting. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all again in the next video.